It's kind of an impromptu video here, but I just wanted to bring the attention of an item that I actually ran across. I've been rebuilding the NANO GOBLIN with the Maytech F405 and soldering on pin headers and all that kind of stuff. And working with like servo connections and stuff are fine when you're dealing with maybe something like a camera or a VTX that has like a signal, a ground, and a power. But when we have things like GPS and crossfire where we have to crisscross between a 5-volt rail and like a UART over here and stuff like that, it would be really nice to have individual wires and individual pin headers. Well, I found these on Amazon, and they're actually for Arduinos, and they're just a fraction of the price as compared to if you do a search for RC pin headers or RC servo extensions. You know, I was looking at getting a set of individual ones. They were $20-$30 in some cases, even some with the 4s. So you don't have to mess around with like jumper wires and all that kind of stuff, like moving pin 1 to pin 2 and all that. So you get like a big pack of these, and it's like $6. I have a link down in my description, very top, for them off of Amazon if you want to help me out and pick some up. And it's great because you just rip them off like one at a time. They come in all kinds of different colors, as you can see, and these are super long, so you can actually end up doubling the amount that you need. And they make installation into your ships way easier. I'll show you the inside of the NANO GOBLIN here real quick and so you can see what I'm talking about. So here is the rebuilt and repurposed NANO GOBLIN, all foam tape, glued, sparred, and all that kind of stuff. And if you look right here, you can see that I've got all of these pin headers all going into the Maytech F405. Go ahead and zoom in here for you so you can get a closer look as far as what is going on. So you can see how I've got all of them just kind of set up like individually. Like a perfect example is my crossfire UART is up here on the board, and I'm powering it off of the 5-volt rail that's actually over here on the side of the Maytech. So individual servo wires, really cheap price, makes everything just super simple. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and they're really cheap. So again, I have a link in the description. Hopefully that helps a few of you out. Talk to you guys later.